Hey guys, welcome to the AudiFab channel. Today we will share a tip for transferring Spotify tracks to YouTube Music. First, you need to download a powerful tool called AudiFab Spotify Music Converter in the video's description. If you don't know much about this tool yet, we'll briefly introduce it next. By AudiFab Spotify Music Converter, Spotify Premium or free users can easily download Spotify music to a computer at 10x faster speed. It can convert Spotify music to MP3, AAC, WAV, FLAC, AIFF, ALAC. Plus, it keeps the original audio quality and ID3 tags after conversion. Now, it's time to upload Spotify music to YouTube Music. First, we need to save Spotify music in MP3 with AudiFab. Let's see how it works. First, double-click to open AudiFab. Spotify will open at the same time. Drag and drop a playlist from Spotify to AudiFab. Tick the song you would like to download. Check the list and click the OK button. Open the settings window. You can customize output settings here. Choose MP3 as the output format. Here you can specify the output folder. Close the settings window to apply changes. Click Convert to start the conversion. Once the conversion is done, the output folder will automatically pop up. The downloaded songs are saved as MP3s on your computer. We can upload them to YouTube Music now. Open YouTube Music app or website. Click your profile. Choose Upload Music. Find your downloads. Select them and click Open. You will see a small window for uploading music will appear in the lower left corner. After uploading, you can click Go to Library to check your uploads. Next, you can listen to the uploaded song on YouTube Music. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.